How do? Good morning or good afternoon, evening, depending on whenever you are watching this. So this is my second attempt at this video because originally I did it and I got a bit frustrated. It's probably the easiest way to put it. And I didn't do it in the car, and at the moment my rants and stuff seem to come from the car, unedited, unforgiving, zero toots given. So unless you have been living under a rock or on the moon this last 7 days, you would have seen the video that went viral of Mr. Edward Hall, Mr. Eddie Hall, 2017's World's Strongest Man, and he confronted some mandem outside his yard, you know. Yeah, he confronted some people outside his property because they were just generally being a nuisance, and he was wrong. He was aggressive, he was rude, it was uncalled for. He should have handled the situation differently. These are all comments that people have posted online, and they've like really tore into him. They are their opinions, by the way, not mine. Personally, if someone is putting your family at risk, your safety at risk, then yeah, confront them, you know. But my biggest gripe, my biggest frustration out of all of it is these people have kind of gone out of their way to go to his property, and anyone that follows Eddie Hall will know that this is like an uncommon thing. People do it like all the time, but majority of the time when they're asked to move on, people respect that and do obviously move on. But these people just, they wanted an argument, they wanted a reaction, and they got exactly what they came for in terms of an argument and a reaction. And like all great human beings in this day and age, recorded it and they put it online. They put it online because they want to gain some traction. They want to get some likes, some views, or, you know, whatever. But they've put it online for a reason. Maybe in a bid to bring Eddie down, I don't know. Who knows what their agenda really is? But the fact of the matter is, his wife confronted him, Alex confronted him. Didn't listen. Eddie confronted him. You've all seen the video, it got heated. If you haven't seen the video, what I'll actually do is I'll link Eddie's latest video on this situation, because he actually comes out and apologises. Not necessarily to those people, but apologise for upsetting those people's children, because you can quite clearly see until it's kind of too late that there are children involved. Now, I'm a parent of 2 girls, and I would never put my children in that situation that those parents did. That's their choice, their opinion, and how they, you know, set an example and be role models for their children. But really, is that setting the right example? And then the follow-up online, you know, some of the comments and the hate and stuff that's gone, obviously not only to Eddie, to his wife, to his family, but then also to those people involved. It's like all of this hate could have been avoided if you just had a little bit more about you and didn't go poke the bear. Because although, yeah, Eddie Hall's in the public light and, you know, he's a public figure, he's not public property, and he's at his own house. You know, he said he was in the garden with his son, like they were having a fire, he was having a cigar or something. Like, that's just quality time that he's having with his family, and these people are taking him away from his family and caused a scene, caused an upset that just didn't need to happen. Yeah, there could have been alternative ways to resolve it, but hindsight's a wonderful thing. Like, you can say that about literally anything in life, any any situation. So the kind of the take home and my, you know, my 2 pence, and obviously for me everything is all about physical and mental health, and the fact that these people have caused this sort of situation, caused this unneeded animosity, is affecting people's mental health. And it's not, you know, not affecting their mental health in a positive way, it's in a negative way. And people love to jump online and throw shade, throw anger and hate, but ultimately that has a negative impact on your mental health. How many more times do we have to lose people because of online trolling, online bullying? It's not okay. It really isn't. So yeah, that's my kind of take home. And then the question back to you, and I need to really get in the habit of signing sort of these videos off with this question: are you happy with your physical and mental health? Peace.